There's dogs here. Let's play Quake on the Amiga. Let's load it up. This is Quake on my Amiga 1200 060 100 megahertz. So let's begin Quake on Amiga and see how far I can come with in this version. If you're not familiar with Quake, Quake is a 3D FPS shooter, one of the first ones. Before that, we had Doom and Wolfenstein 3D, but now we have Quake. Yeah. Well, Quake has been on Amiga since 1997 when the Click Boom version was released. So this is how it works on Amiga with 100 MHz CPU. So the frame rate is quite nice for being on a 68K processor. This hole selects easy skill, or this hole select normal skill. Okay, let's go for the normal one. Yeah. And then we can choose which level we want to go to. The first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. And let's see how it goes in here. There's a dog outside barking. But, okay. I try to jump. Yes, thank you. So everything I use now is wirelessly connected to my Amiga 1200 with USB dongles. I use a Logitech MX Master 3 mouse and Logitech MX keyboard. So they can connect both to the PC and Amiga at once, because they can connect to 3 different units. So the first one supports a dongle, which Amiga must use because there's no Bluetooth supported in the Amiga hardware or anything like that. And the 2 others are only strictly for Bluetooth devices. So that is quite nice. Okay. We are on normal level now. And if we enter here, there is a quad damage here. So where is the dog? Where is the dog? Their frame rate dropped a little bit with the quad damage filter on for some reason. Wow, the quad damage is really fun. Yeah, within a bit higher level of difficulty. I have played Quake so many times. The most funny thing is that OBS, it just works as it should. Well, one thing is that it is more difficult, but you also get more ammo if you kill more, so yeah, it's quite nice, I suppose. So this is the first level of normal. Yes. Completed. And let's have a new game. Yes. Okay. Now we go into the same normal skill place, and instead of level number 1, we choose level number 2 and see how it goes. This is quite good for an 060 machine. FPS is, I don't know. I'm not sure. There's dogs here. There's enemies. Where? Oh. Where are you? Yeah, it's not as smooth as on multi-gigahertz PC or something like that, or even on a Morpheus machine, but which runs on Power PCs, which are much faster. Okay. Let's look at it. I never know. There might be some secrets here and there. Oh. Do I? Ah, I died. Okay. I'm not the best Quake player, but let's try the next level. I completed the first one. I completed this one. I didn't complete this one. Maybe I will complete this one. This is a much more different type of level. So let's see. Yeah, you can see the frames dropping, but I'm amazed how it works. Yeah, this is 060, 68,000. Remember, this is not a Power PC or an Intel processor that is running on. Oh, let's go! Kill that! Yeah, come on! I don't want to kill you, doggy, but you want to eat me? What? What? Ah. That was kill. Quake on Amiga. Not on Power PC. Who would say that in 2022? Passed, not passed, not passed. Let's see if we can pass this one then. Oh. Isn't it behind here? Okay. No? What? Ah, it opens there. Okay. Let's try this level then. See if this works better or not. Okay, let's. Oh. Quake. But let's try one more time, the last time. See if we can do something about this. And since I'm a maniac, I die. Okay. Okay. Can we jump there, please? Yes. Okay. Let's try the first one. Okay. Oh. You're already here. It means you are everywhere. Okay. It's not that difficult. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, we need some healing. There's a tunnel there. I don't really remember this. So let's see. Oh. 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 Oh, I'm in this, to the start. That was not expected. I remember something. Yeah. This is so much fun. War never been so much fun. Okay, let's get that quad. Okay. Oh, there's a dog here too, including upstairs. There's a okay. Before it was one here, now it is two. Two. Let's see if we can reach the exit. Okay. You gave me. This is the first level on a hard. So the first level is really not that hard. Huh? Where is the dog? Where's the dog? Yeah, you just have to kill. Did we manage? Oh, I love it. Isn't one of the doors here? I remember there was a door here somewhere. Here. No, it's not. Maybe you can give me some hints in the comment section. So, since I managed to go through here, we will play until I die. Okay, we need health. No health here? Mommy! I want health. Okay. Ah. So, as you see, this is Quake on the Amiga 060. And this is the 060 version of the game. It's a bit unstable. So video options is 320 by 240. Let's see if we can bump it up to 640 by 256. Let's see how it works there. Okay. This is a bit higher resolution. Yes. Is it playable or not? It's not what I expected. I was expected 5 FPS. It is a little bit lower FPS, yes, but not too shabby. Let's see if I can play it a little bit in a higher resolution, like this. The graphics are, of course, a little bit better. So, that is... Yes. You can see the textures is better and everything. Yeah. That is nice. How about even higher, if it is possible? So let's try 640 by 480. Okay. This one. Wow. Let's try from the start. Now I begin to feel the frame drop. But now it started to look nice. Real nice. But the playability now is very slow, as you can see. But a testament to that the 68K is not a bad processor at all, and the graphics card which is used on Warp 1260 is not too bad and not too shabby neither. So let's see how it looks. This is all software. This is the frame rate I'm used to play with the Amiga on all 30 or 40 or 60 before. Sort of. But remember, this is in 6040 by 480 screen mode. It's still. It is playable. Yes. But you see, it's very laggy. This is the first time I played Quake in a 640 by 480 on an Amiga. Yes. You see, Amigas doesn't care about FPS. We can play either it is 5 FPS or 15 FPS or 30 FPS, it doesn't matter. So let's see if I can finish this level with this frame rate. Yes. Come on. Oh, baby. Whoa. So. No. Is there anyone there? Okay. At least this level I can complete. So. Yeah. So this is Quake on my 060 100 megahertz. Of course, you can play it on a 50 megahertz, but the difference between 50 and 100, I think the difference starts to be felt at 75 megahertz on 060. So at 90, 100, it's around the same speed, sort of. I could, of course, clock it up to 105 megahertz, but I can't because my 060 doesn't support it. So that is the risk about getting a revision 6 060 processor. You don't know if it is capable of being clocked up or not. So this is Quake on the Amiga. I hope you enjoyed it. This is on my real Amiga 1200, streamed, recorded, I would say, from my Amiga through using WeStream HDMI video capture thingy, which costs like 13 euros, nothing, and into OBS. Yeah, so I actually play this game watching, looking at the OBS screen instead of my LG LCD screen. Yeah, so the Warp 1260 is a really huge beast, but of course, as you see right here, right now, that if you want to play 3D games on Amiga, it is possible, but if you want to go a bit higher, it's still laggy, like it would be on a 040 or 60, 50 megahertz. Yes. So hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe and like this video if you like it or not. That's up to you. But I wish you all a pleasant 2022. let's quit it. Yeah, this is ID software, and this is the clip boom version of Quake still. So that is pretty amazing. So, bon voyage, bye for now.